Have you ever wondered what happens when you plant an avocado seed? First, the seed is placed with its bottom half touching clean water. After several days, something amazing begins. The seed cracks open and a tiny root appears.
The root keeps growing deeper, searching for water and nutrients.
Then, from the top of the seed, a tiny green shoot reaches toward the light. Soon, its first leaves unfold, capturing sunlight and beginning photosynthesis.
Once the roots are strong enough, the young avocado plant can move into soil.
Sunlight, water, and care, that tiny seed slowly transforms into a young avocado tree.
With enough time and care, that tiny avocado seed can become a beautiful tree capable of producing its own fruit.